Hello friends. If you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Sabo. Pronouns are they, them. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for returning. This video is part of a video series where I am learning how to do makeup. This is not a tutorial. This is just you and me sitting here, you holding my hand while I go through the process of trying to figure out how the fuck do I do makeup. And today, in the spirit of Halloween and Spookytober as Scorpio season, I want to try out some cosplay makeup. Something very different. We're gonna attempt to do this, and you're gonna be here with me together, and I'm very excited for this. So the character in question that I want to cosplay is Choso from Jujutsu Kaisen. Currently on my Instagram, Sabo the King, I am doing a 30-day dance challenge, and since this is my last week, I only have 6 more videos to go. I figured why not do the last 6 videos going all out and doing the videos fully affected. I just want to have some fun. I sort of have clothing that resembles Choso's outfit. Choso. Let me put the microphone over here. I hope you can still hear me. But because I'm gonna be busy with my hands all over, I don't wanna bump into the microphone. That's a bitch to edit. So first, I actually want to start off with doing my hair. My hair's dirty, so it's pretty malleable. So I'm just gonna comb through it. Yeah, look, my hair looks disgusting. That's because it's gel. I've been wearing gel. I washed my hair 2 days ago. It is what it is. This is the reality of things. Okay, so I put one ponytail in. It's gonna be a space bun, kind of with all the thingies sticking out. Hopefully I have a picture on the screen. If you don't know, Choso is an anime character from the anime Jujutsu Kaisen, which has been one of the most popular shonens the past few years, actually. The manga recently came to an end. A lot of ambiguous feelings about the ending for many of us readers and who've been, you know, reading the manga for years. I've been reading the manga for quite a few years now, actually. Yeah, it's kind of crazy to think about that. The ending was very rushed. Important plot holes that were never answered. One of the most important characters wasn't really talked about afterwards, which really, it's just, you know, okay. Okay, I guess. But we're following a boy who kind of stumbles into this supernatural realm that just exists out of normal society. And he kind of stumbles into it and becomes a vessel for this ancient demon, I guess is the most westernized way to describe it. He shares his body with the villain of the story, and a lot of things happen, but the character that I am going to try to cosplay today is his biological brother, actually, biological half-brother, whom is very well loved in the fandom. I feel like Choso is very well loved. And maybe I'm a little nervous because I know how the internet is against dark-skinned cosplayers. But you know what? This is for me. I can always block and delete. I'm gonna gel these pieces up later. My arms are hurting. Now I'm gonna go in with the trusty dusty got-to-be glue. Ow. I have no idea how to do the hair pieces, but we're just gonna figure it out. So, do I want this to be perfect? No. Like, I'm giving up already. How do I do this? Do I do this? Maybe I'll do that. Okay. My hands are sticky. I don't like that. Just gonna stick some, Oh, you know what song is stuck in my head? The Apathy song from Rose. It's such a good song. I was so, surprised. Because, to be honest, I hope I don't upset people with this, but if I do, it's not that fucking deep. I've heard, like, the solo releases of Blackpink. I'm not really a huge Blackpink fan. I've never really gotten into them. Since they are the it girls of the internet, you can't really go around them. So I've been seeing some of their work here and there. When I see an artist going solo, I do like to hear something that I feel like they couldn't really do within their group. To me, that's the point of like doing something solo, is to kind of discover, play around, let people hear your sound and who you are. However, I found that with the releases of Lisa and especially Jenny's solo stuff, I just didn't think that it was any different from what they were already doing with Blackpink. So when Rose announced that she was doing a, that she was going and releasing her solo stuff, I was like, okay, that's cute. And then I saw that she was releasing solo stuff with Bruno Mars, and I was like, okay, you know what? That's kind of dope, actually. Bruno Mars is an amazing artist. All right, let's get into it. So I'm gonna do the one where he is activating his cursed technique. I'm not wearing my glasses right now, as you can see. I don't really have the best eyesight, so it is what it is, and it's gonna give what it's gonna give. First, what I want to do though is try to flatten my brows as much as I can. I'm using like the Got to Be gel because I don't have any glue stick, so we're just gonna have to do with this. I will be doing a couple of layers of this actually, so is it okay? I think it's not really, but it's, maybe I should just wait for a little longer. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna come back. The gel has dried pretty okay. Now we're gonna go in and, should I do the eye makeup first? Let's do that actually. Choso has a lot of, he just like has really smoky eyes. And it's purple. So let's see what in my collection I have that close to that. I think dark blue is also okay. Okay, so I don't have purple. Let me first prime my face, actually. What am I thinking about? I'm gonna go in with these primers from Essence and just hope that they don't break my skin out. Let this also be a good lesson to me to research what primers are good and whatnot, and not just like buy it just because I see it. Letting that do its thing. I'm gonna go in with my concealer actually as an eyeshadow primer, and then I'm gonna set that with a with my banana powder, because I did really enjoy how that worked the last time I did this. Oh, it is giving Choso already. If you know Choso, you already know. So I have my banana powder, with which I'm just gonna set this with. And this is gonna be my primer. My bootleg eyeshadow primer. Alright, so like I said, I don't have any purple. So I'm gonna have to make do with what I have. I do have this palette. This is from SheGlam. This is the Glitzwitz palette. I tried looking today for a black eyeliner pot from Catrice or from Essence, but they didn't sell them. And I think if I had like a black eyeshadow eyeliner pot, doing this would be a lot easier. Actually, I could have just, you know what? I'm being a little dumb. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this liner pencil that I got from Vain Beauty. It's black. I'm just gonna go and fill this in. Now this is waterproof, so I gotta be real quick. Now I'm gonna go over that black. I'm using a blending brush because I don't really need this to be packed on tightly. As a matter of fact, it's the eyeshadow, or like the eye color that Choso is wearing is more of a indicative of his like sleep deprived status. I don't really need to be precise with it. That's why I'm using such a large brush. That being said, I do need to be. Now that I'm actually here, this is the SheGlam Corpse Bride eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go in with this blue that's right here, like the matte-ish blue, and just go and deepen a little bit of that color I can live with this. It's fine. I think I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. You see, I don't want to put this on my hand because I have eczema on this one. So maybe I just need to put this on this hand then. They're clean. My hands are clean. Oh, this is too much. And this is all going on the outer perimeter of my face. That's the one thing that I've really discovered that I like doing. I like to go in with two different colors of foundation. One that matches the outer perimeter of my face and one that matches more the inner perimeter of my face. Just so it looks more natural to me. Because I'm so used to not seeing my face in one color. Doing my face in one color sometimes kind of trips me out. And I know with this foundation I have it less than with others that I have, but I did got my pictures taken with just like this foundation, and just seeing my face in one color in the picture, that kind of tripped me out. I was like, that's not my face. My brows now, kind of a little nervous. I'm gonna try cover them up with my concealer. This is the NYX Professional Bear With Me concealer serum. I'm gonna go in with my wet sponge. It does lighten it a bit. Though this concealer serum is a bit more reddish than I would say my foundation is, so gotta be careful with that. Maybe I'll just mix them. This is okay. If it's not perfect, it's fine. I'm not gonna worry that, baby. It's not that deep. That was a trip. That was a trip and a half. I'm now gonna go in with the Tear Mask Fit Cushion Foundation. Okay, so this is how the face is looking at like right now. I have no idea what it looks like. I can barely see myself. It's all about the experience. It's all about the experience, right? All right. I'm taking the She Glam French Girl Stereo Face 6 palette. And with that, I'm just gonna try to contour my face with an emphasis on trying. Then I'm gonna use the chocolate color, which is the darkest one. I'm gonna use this brush. I think I am gonna lean into just like keeping a very roundish face. So I'm using this contour to emphasize what I already have, instead of like trying to sculpt my face in a different way. I think for the way that Choso is drawn, I don't think that's really necessary. At least when it comes to the jaw. Then I'm gonna go up here. Alright, I think that's okay. I do want to use the Maybelline Eraser Concealer to try to conceal this more. And usually I don't really focus that much on taking away everything, but for today I do. So that's what we have. This is what we have. This is the base. I feel very punk Y2K, you know what I mean? Now we're gonna go into the nose contour. I'm gonna make my nose as thin as I possibly can. I think the nose is the hardest part. I don't know if I don't want to put on my glasses, but maybe I should put on my glasses. I even can't see with that. But I do know I look weird. I feel a little uncomfortable knowing that there's so much wetness on my face. Not wetness, but like, you know what I mean. Nothing is set, so I'm gonna set my face first with powder. The nose area do be really fucking dark, but I think I can make it work with highlighter and all of that. So let me go in with a brow pencil. Actually, this is the NYX brow pencil in Espresso. This is just to kind of sketch out where I want my brow to go. Now that I powdered the brows, it's much better to work with it. Okay, so I have no idea what's happening with that, but I guess this is just what I'm gonna have to do. Don't look too close. For your own mental well-being, do not look this close. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a brow powder now. Alright, I'm gonna go in with a, I'm now going to go in with contouring, and then I'm gonna finish my my eyes. This is the Essence contouring palette. We're gonna start off here, just to kind of darken that part up. Oh, you know what? Contouring with a powder? A lot better, actually. Oh, I like this contour powder, actually. I'm gonna take a smaller pencil brush. I don't think the eyeshadow is pressed in that well, so it started moving. For the sake of making it a little darker, I am gonna go over the eyeshadow with this eye pencil. Bring it down. And then I'm gonna go and waterline my eyes. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, I'm kind of starting to feel it. In terms of lips, what's the best way to do this? I think maybe I should just like use the same contour powder to so when Choso activates his curse technique, he kind of gets like this thing on his face. I'm gonna start here and then kind of mark that I want it to end. Okay, that was kind of nerve-wracking. Okay. Ugh. One down, another one to go. Is it even? No. Did I do my best? Yes, and that's all that matters. Okay. I'm gonna go and dress up right now. This is what it looks like. Do you want a little zoom in? Maybe you do. But I don't want you to give a zoom. Actually, no, I'm not gonna. For my mental health, I'm not gonna zoom in. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, wait, look at this. Look at this. Am I not with the glasses on. Look at this. Oh, he would never, he would. Ova. Maybe also not with this. Well, this is my take on it. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, okay. Alright, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to spend time with me. I'm gonna go and record my video now. Wish me luck, bye.